In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the row height and column width of a table in your document. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're preparing a report, creating a schedule, or simply organizing data in a way that's easy to read. The ability to fine-tune the appearance of your tables can make your documents look more professional and easier to digest. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, let's start with selecting the table. To do this, click anywhere inside the table. It might seem obvious, but this initial click allows you to activate the table so that you can perform further actions on it. Once you've clicked inside, look to the top left corner of the table where you'll find a small plus icon. Clicking this icon will select the entire table at once. Alternatively, you can click and drag across all the cells to achieve the same result. Both methods are simple and effective, so choose the one that feels most comfortable to you. Now that we've got our table fully selected, we're ready to adjust the row height. Navigate to the Layout tab, which you'll find under the Table Tools in your toolbar. This is where you can access a range of options specifically for customizing your table layout. In the Layout tab, look for the group labeled Cell Size. Within this group, you'll see a box labeled Height. Simply enter the number that represents the row height you desire. This will set a uniform height across all the rows in your table, ensuring a clean and consistent look. If you're prompted with the option to specify height, make sure to check that box. This step is crucial as it ensures your specified changes are actually applied to the table. With the row height set to your preference, let's move on to adjusting the column width. You'll find the width box conveniently located in the same cell size group. Just like the row height, simply input the number that corresponds to the width you want for your columns. This will establish a uniform width, which often makes the table easier to read. Adjusting the column width is particularly useful if you have data or text that needs a little extra space to display thoroughly. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily adjust both the row height and column width of your tables, giving them a more polished and organized appearance. With just a few clicks, your tables can significantly enhance the overall look of your document. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this information helpful for your next project.